I'm learning a lot from this COVID Rachel injustice ditch as I think about what's going on in the world and think about what I'm doing here to have this big master plan of what I think that this should look like. And then something will happen, like it'll rain, and I'll discover that there's far more mud in here than I thought. And I think that's part of what we're doing in our society right now is we protest, a little change happens, and then there'll be another killing, and we realize it's far deeper with abuse of power than we ever thought. The good thing is we're not giving up, just like I'm not giving up, and we have a dream of what a world that works for all looks like.